I have always found it hard to identify my passion, the thing inside that drives me, pushes me, calls me into action. Sometimes I want to say my passion is traveling, to see and experience as many things as possible. But why do I want to travel? What is the deeper calling? Is it the outdoors? No, that's too broad. Maybe it's hiking or being one with nature, running along the edge of a cliff to see the sunset, to get the shot.
We're running for the shot. We gotta get the shot. We're almost there.
Walking in a city, to smell the food, meet the locals, and truly experience culture. Or maybe it's snowboarding, the thrill of carving down the Alps. Or maybe cliff jumping, the bliss of utter freedom. Maybe it's running, droning. Maybe it's capturing the perfect shot. Maybe snorkeling. Maybe telling a story, hanging with friends. Maybe it's... Or maybe my passion is all of it and nothing. The why behind it all. Why do I love to hike? Nature, running, carving down a mountain, and traveling. Can it all be my passion? Or do I let someone in life set the rules, put me in a neat box and say, hey, you rappel, you hike, you catch rays or you drone, pick one, that's it. That can't be it. Passion, at the end of the day, is the reason why you wake up and get out of bed. Passion is your why for living. Mine can't be summarized, because my passion is all of it.
Couldn't ask for more if you ask me. We'll edit that out.